Gold against US dollar. Starting the week has formed these two small bullish candles. We can see that it was indecision on the market where the price could not find its way outside of this area, which was at this here at support and the demand zone. Then on Wednesday the price formed a strong bearish candle that has gone all the way back down to 2653.45 at support level. From here the price is bouncing back up, going all the way back up, reaching the first area as a resistance on the smaller scale, and then bouncing on the Friday back down, where the price has stopped just here at this trend line, which is acting now as support. Week has closed as a bearish candle. We can see that easily on the chart, and it is currently a candle formation that is suggesting further decline in value as a possibility. Monthly time frame is showing me a bearish candle. But we have several weeks until this month closes. So for now, then the first target, because of the bearish candle, is that the price could reach an area around 2630.47, and for that it is the best to go to the lower time frames, which is a daily 2653. We can see that here is the first support level that the price is trying to reach. Will that manage? We'll see on the lower scale on the 4-hour time frame if the price makes a bearish breakout, which I can see it has already formed on the 4-hour time frame, where the next target would be around this area here. If I go to the 1-hour time frame, we can see that even the lower time frame needs to make a bearish breakout in order to fall in value, going to 2676.40. We have what I have just here explained, that this could be also the next support where the price is heading. So will that happen? We'll see on a Monday after the price starts to move. Will the price manage to make this bearish breakout? So each day, whenever this breakout happens, I share the details with the Traders Inside Telegram group, so they can be notified when the price makes a breakout and where the price is heading. So for the daily, I'm expecting that the price will drop in value after the price makes a bearish breakout below this support where the price currently is, and the next target will be 2653. Will the price manage to go even further down? This will be on the daily time frame, which I will share on the daily basis for everyone on YouTube channel, so you can also watch where the price is heading. This is all for this week. See you next time and happy trading. That is all from today's analysis. I hope you enjoyed. If you have any question, feel free to leave a comment. If you like the analysis, click the like button and subscribe. See you next time and a happy trading.